Hello, today we will take you through the MQT 15 wet leakage current test in IEC 61215. Modules are inevitably exposed to rain, fog, dew, melting snow, and other high humidity environments when operating outdoors for a long time. Corrosion, ground faults, or safety accidents could be happened in case the moisture entering the energized conductive components in the module system. So the insulation performance of modules in the high humidity environment is particularly important. In MQT 15 wet leakage current test of IEC 61215, the detail is introduced on how to assess the insulation performance of modules in humid environments. According to the requirements of IEC 61215, the modules need to be placed in a compliant solution and conducted the insulation test. It is required that the insulation resistance should be no less than 400 meters for the module with an area of less than 0.1 square meter and no less than 40 meters square meter for the module with an area of more than 0.1 square meter. Here we will show you how the test is conducted. Welcome to CNAS Laboratory of Rising Energy. The sample module used in this test is RSM1328BMDG with dual glass encapsulation. The test is carried out in a wet leakage chamber. The operator should perform the test while standing on an insulating mat and wearing insulating gloves. Firstly, water is pulled into the wet leakage chamber, and the resistivity of the water needs to be less than 3,500 ohms centimeters. The temperature is 22 plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, and the water should submerge over the surface of the sample module. Sample module is immersed face down in the wet leakage chamber. Since the junction box and connector of RISN's modules are IP68, so the sample module and all its external parts will completely be immersed in the solution. If junction box and connector are IP67 or below, the solution will be sprayed onto them during the test. Short-circuit the sample module to the positive terminal of the test device. Then connect the test solution to the negative terminal of the test device with a proper metal conductor. Switch on the insulation tester, increase the voltage to 500 volts or the maximum system voltage, whichever is greater, at a speed of no more than 500 volts/s, maintain the voltage for 2 minutes, and then measure insulation resistance. The result of this test is 3.46 grams ohms, and its product with the module area is much larger than 40 meters ohms square meter required by IEC standard, so the wet leakage current test is qualified accordingly. This is the CNAS Laboratory of Rising Energy, taking you through the interpretation of professional and interesting PV module tests. See you next time.